Guys, I'm going to show you how do I put back Poco M6 is the original packaging. First, put this adapter, the cable charger, okay, and this case with the warranty, safety information, and the quick start guide warranty card information. Put it back into this plastic bag. Go into this. Okay. Make sure your SIM card removal is here. Put it back. Okay, and then I'm going to put this in here. Okay. Right, so we cover that. And I'm going to put my phone, which I already put in, slide it in, put it in. Okay, put it in and put this in and put the case. There you go. That's how to book back your Poco M6 back to original condition, original box. Okay, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.